spell again.
Good job. He's not crying anymore, is he? Ooh, good job. What's the next one you're going to sing to him?
Sunshine.
Sunshine?
You are my shine, shine. You are my shine, shine. You make me happy. The skies are gray. Now for you, dear. My shine, shine away.
Oh, good job, Bubbles. What's the other one you want to sing to him?
Spider-Man song.
Okay, sing the Spider-Man song.
Spider-Man. Now Spider-Man can.
Spider-Man can? Good one. Try your ABC.
No.
Hey, try your ABCs again.
No, I did.
Do it again, because he likes that one.
I did.
Okay. You don't want to do any more?
No, only did it.
Okay.